Chapter 6, Exercise 6.3, third problem. Find the least number that is to be subtracted from 4000 to make it perfect square. Solution. Divide 4000 in two parts, 40 and 00. Now look at the nearest square number. 6 is the 36. 40 minus 36, 4. Now take 20 down. Now 6 plus 6 become 12. Now 120 into 3 become 369. Now minus 400 minus 369, you get 31. Therefore 31 should be subtracted to make it a perfect square. Next, fourth problem. Find the length of the side of a square whose area is 4489 square centimeter. Solution. We know that area of a square is equal to a square. A square is equal to 4489 square centimeter, where a is the side of a square. A square is equal to 4489 implies a is equal to root 4489. Now find the square root of 4489. Now divide 4489 into parts, 4489. Now look at the nearest square number, that is 6 6 36. 44 minus 39 is equal to 8. Now take 89 down, it become 889. Now 6 plus 6 become 12. Now 127 into 7 become 889. Remainder is 0. Therefore the side of a square is 67 centimeter. Fifth, a gardener wishes to plant 8289 plants in the form of square and found that there were 8 plants left. How many plants were planted in each row? Solution. Total plants is equal to 8289. Number of plants left out is equal to 8. Therefore number of plants forms a square is equal to 8289 minus 8 is equal to 8281. Find the square root of 8281. Now divide 8281 into parts, 82 and 81. Now look at the nearest square number, that is 9 9 the 81. 82 minus 81 become 1. Now take 81 down, it become 181. 9 plus 9 18. Now 181 1 the 181. Now the remainder is 0. Therefore there are 91 plants in each row. Sixth problem. Find the least perfect square with 4-digit. Solution. The least 4-digit number is 1000. Now find the square root of 1000. Look at the divide the 1000 into parts, 10 and 00. Now look at the nearest square number, that is 3 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Now take 20 down. Now 3 plus 3 becomes 6. Now 62 into 2 become 120. 924. 124. Therefore 24 should be added to 1000 to get the least perfect square with 4 digit. Therefore 1000 plus 24 is equal to 1024 is the least 4-digit perfect square. Seventh problem. Find the least number which must be added to 6412 to make it a perfect square. Solution. Divide 6412 into parts, 64 and 12. Now look at the nearest square number. 8 8 the 64. Now 64 minus 64 0. Now take down 12. Now 8 plus 8 becomes 16. Now 161 into 1 the 161. So minus this you will get minus 149. Therefore 149 should be added to the 6412 to make it a perfect square. Eighth problem. Estimate the value of the following number to the nearest whole number. First one, root 97. Solution. We know that 9 square is equal to 81, 10 square is equal to 100. 81 less than 97, 97 less than 100. 9 square less than 97, 97 less than 10 square. 9 less than root 97 less than 10. As 100 is more close to 97, therefore root 97 is 10 approximately. Second, root 250. We know that 15 square is equal to 225. 16 square is equal to 256. Therefore 225 less than 250, 250 less than 256. 15 square less than 250, 250 less than 16 square. 15 less than root 250 less than 16. As 256 is more closer to 250 then 225. Therefore, root 250 is 16 approximately. Third, root 780. Solution. We know that 27 square is equal to 729. 28 square is equal to 784. Therefore, 729 less than 780. 780 less than 784. 727 square less than 780 less than 28 square. 27 less than root 780 less than 28. As 784 is closer to 780 than 729, therefore root 780 is 28 approximately. Exercise 6.4. Find the cubes of the following numbers. First one, 8. Solution. 8 cube is equal to 8 into 8 into 8 is equal to 512. 63rd. Second one, 16. Solution. 16 cube is equal to 16 into 16 into 16 is equal to 4096. Third one, 21. Solution. 21 square is equal to 21 into 21 into 21 is equal to 9261. Fourth one, 30. Solution. 30 cube is equal to 30 into 30 into 30 is equal to 27,000. Second bit. Test whether the given numbers are perfect cubes or not. First one, 243. Solution. Resolve 243 into prime factors. We get, this is a prime factorization method. Now 243 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Here 3 in 3 pairs and 3 in not in 3 pairs. So 243 is not a perfect square. Second, 516. Resolve 516 into prime factors. We get 516 is equal to 3 into 2 into 2 into 43. It is here 3 to 43 are not in 3's pair. Therefore 516 is not a perfect square. This is a LCM of 516. Third one, 729. Resolve 729 into prime factors. We get 729 is equal to 9 into 9 into 9. So it is a 729 is a perfect cube. Now fourth one, 8000. Resolve 8000 into prime factors. We get 8000 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5. 8000 is a perfect square. Here is the LCM. Now fifth, 2700, 2700. Resolve 2700 into prime factors. We get 2700 is equal to 3 into 3, 2 into 2, 5 into 5. So 2700 is not a perfect cube. LCM is here.